The Business Leadership Program, or BLP, is a core program of Rikkyo College of Business. The program uses an experience-based approach to teach leadership that can be exercised by all members of an organization. BLP consists of 5 courses in 5 semesters over 2.5 years, with courses ranging from BL0 to 4. The content becomes progressively more challenging as the semesters progress. BL0 includes the features all BLP courses have in common. BL0 is required for all students in the College of Business, and BL1 and BL2 for all students in the Business Department. At the start, students are put into evenly balanced groups of 4 or 5. The students are made to feel the need for leadership and teamwork, as their projects won't succeed unless 1 or 2 group members take some form of leadership. When students don't know which direction to take to solve a problem, they use a consensus-building approach and present their own ideas written on cards. This is called the KJ method. Even students who are shy or passive can be encouraged to express themselves in this way. All agree not to make any negative comments in the first round, and everyone presents their cards and exchanges their ideas. Then they sort the cards together. The goal is to come to a conclusion as a team. Students maintain good personal relationships by respecting each other's opinions. By trying to write out the results derived by the KJ method on a fishbone, cause and effect relationships can be explored and organized. Here, the students are discussing the reasons why young people don't drink milk. Failure is important with BLP, as it's as a form of experience, so it's critical for students to discuss issues without fear of failure. One of the features of BLP is student assistants, or SAs, who are a year ahead of the other students. When discussions get bogged down, the SAs offer advice. They help create an environment for discussion.
皆さん、これから牛乳の消費拡大、牛乳の利用についていろいろご研究いただくわけですが、それを考える場合に牛乳とか酪農とかどういうふうになっているのか、自分たちの食べる食料はあるのかと、そのような問題も含めた形でですね、その中の一つの食料としての牛乳、あるいは乳製品、これを考えていただきます。
骨粗しょう症の防止のためにカルシウムが必要なので、イコール牛乳を飲もうということです。
Instructors in the next class offer their views, advice, and comments. It is also a preliminary contest.
でそれは長期にわたって保つことができるっていうのはどうやったらなんですか？
真空保存っていう保存の方があります。
The teams with high scores are announced from a total of 75 teams in 15 classes, and 5 teams make it to the final
本選
selection.
出場のチームはこちらです。
その会社員の悩みを解決し、快適な睡眠をサポートしてくれるのがこのナイトミルクです。
The winning and runner-up teams visited the Japan Dairy Association, where they gave their presentations to association members and dairy industry people. The reflection process is learning by putting experience into words. It involves more than just having students write about themselves and their own activities or about the situations within their groups during the project. Rather, they also write down their feedback on pieces of paper, hand the papers to each other, and then give spoken explanations. Thus, they learn about strengths and weaknesses that they could not see themselves before. Feedback to teammates is a gift for mutual improvement.
情報収集と段取りの良さが良かったと思います。
最後の方自分の意見がガンガン出ちゃって、もっと時間があればもっと周りの意見も聞けたかなと思って。
最後のプレゼンの発表の時にあんまり練習してる感じに見えなかったなと。だからちょっとそれが不安に思いました。
Based on mutual feedback, students evaluate their personal strengths, weaknesses, what they want to develop and improve upon. In the final session, the students set their goals for improvements and carry them over to BL1 in the next semester. Unlike in ordinary business plan contests, the BLP students spend a lot of time for feedback and reflection and learn a lot from experience. By accumulating feedback and evaluations into a database, the development process of each student's leadership over time is recorded for review and analysis. Instructors and each student can review the portfolio anytime, so that the progress made by each student can be reviewed. This is also a powerful tool for evaluating the effect of leadership education and for individual counseling. Courses starting from BL0 and following semesters are as follows. BL0, Awareness of the Need for Leadership Through Business Projects. BL1, Logical Thinking. BL2, Business Projects. BL3A, Reflections Through Leadership Theory. BL3B, Communication for Leadership. BL3C, Critical Thinking. BL4, Entrepreneurship. Over the 5 semesters, the program progresses in a cycle of projects, skills, projects, skills, projects. Thus, in the project semesters, the strengths students discover within themselves are developed during the following skills semester, while weak points are overcome. In the following semester, students can check and evaluate themselves through group projects.
自販機は多い方がっていう決めつけちゃってるというか、どれくらい多い方がいいとか。
そうだね、少し音楽もあると困るしな、あるかもしれない。皆さんきっとレコとかっていうのもいろいろ考え始めてると思うので、自動販売機を増やすのも本当にレコなのかね。だったらもっとレコでありながら自分たちの利便性も上がるような方法が提案されると、今回課題とはちょっと関係ないですけど、さらに面白いですね。
Leadership is the front wheel of a bicycle, while specialized knowledge is the rear wheel. BLP's ultimate goal is to have students acquire the power to draw a big picture and involve people around you.